Hello friends, good day to all of you and welcome back to another episode on Shobha's Food Mazaa. So today we are going to make a Brazilian prawn curry. It's called Camarao a Baiana. It's a curry from Bahia state in Brazil, which is very well known for its curries, which are made with coconut milk, and the oil that they use is palm oil, palm kernel extract. It's red in color and it has got its own taste. So if you ask me, is there any replacement for this oil? Unfortunately, no. We have to use this oil because this is what lends the taste to this curry. But you may try to find it in special stores like Nature's Basket. These days, all the things are mostly available everywhere online. So if you find this oil, you must give this curry a try. It's very simple curry made with just few ingredients, but the taste is really good because of the palm oil. The color and the richness comes from this oil. So shall we proceed to make this curry? Camarao a Baiana prawn curry from Bahia state in Brazil. This is a delicious curry, well marinated and cooked with coconut milk and palm oil. Enjoy this delicious curry with plain rice. Now here we have taken 500 grams of prawns for this curry. Keep the tails intact, devein them and wash them thoroughly. Parsley about half a cup. You can add even more if you like. Then we have 1 tomato, juice of 1 lemon, salt to taste, half teaspoon black pepper freshly crushed, oil 1 tablespoon normal oil, and this is palm oil 1 tablespoon also. If you want to see how it looks, this is how the palm oil is, red in color, thick, and it has got nice flavors, different kind of flavors. The curry only has flavors of this palm oil. We don't add any spices to it. You can find it in some special stores. And then we have coconut milk. If it is thick milk, 4 to 5 tablespoons. Thin milk, about 100 ml. Check out the ingredients list in the description box. Now first we are going to marinate the prawns. Put the prawns in a bowl, add black pepper, lemon juice, some salt and some parsley leaves, chopped parsley. Keep some for the final touches and garnishing. Now mix these together very well. Set them aside at least for 1 hour. Now when you are ready to cook, heat oil in a pan. First we will cook with the normal oil. Palm oil will be added later. When the oil is hot, dip in the marinated prawns. Cover the pan and let them cook. In between, open the lid and keep tossing them. We'll do this until the prawns change the color and are, say, half done. You can see now the water also is dried up a bit and the prawns are pinkish. At this stage you can add the tomatoes and again cover the pan. Cook them until the tomatoes are soft. Now add the palm oil. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of palm oil. There is no substitute for this oil. You have to make curry only with this oil. Look at the lovely color. Check for the doneness of the prawns by cutting with a knife. When the prawns are done, add the coconut milk. Now this is thin milk. I'm adding about 100 ml. If it is thick milk, add 4 to 5 tablespoons. Give it a nice mix. Check the salt. Add if it is required. Give it a nice stir. And again we'll allow this to cook little more. We should not overcook after adding the coconut milk. Just about a minute or so. Until the curry gravy thickens. Now add the remaining parsley. And the curry is done. It's ready to be served. Dish it out and enjoy it with plain rice. Usually this is served with plain rice. So friends, you must give it a try if you get this palm oil. Do check out other Brazilian recipes as well. The link is given in the description box. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.